everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, there's new coupons on the coupons.com app. Now I print my coupons on Swagbucks because I get points for every coupons that I print, and then I also use a different browser and I print off coupons off my points, so I get points for that, and that's how I save up for a free Christmas, or I just save up when I really need some gift cards for things. So definitely check those out. I have the referral link below. You guys get points when you guys click through my referral link, but you know what? Why not get paid for couponing or get paid for printing coupons? So yes, so they did add the $4 off a 2 Cetaphil, and then a lot of coupons did reset since this Sunday. So I'm gonna print off the $2 off Schick. The 5 off of 3 Kellogg's did reset. We have the Playtex Gentle Glide that reset. The Sheba buy 3 get 3 reset also. I'm gonna print that off anyways. Those don't expire till September, so that's a great deal. They did add a $3 off Renew. I don't know what it's even called, but Renew. So if you guys are interested with that, they also added a couple other coupons. I think the Vitafusion. My cat walked in front of my camera. If you guys didn't see that, but they did add some new coupons. Here we got Genio frozen turkey burger, and then we have a $6 off that one. I'm going to print that one off. We also have a $3 off Tenya that is new. I barely get those coupons. I think the Tums might be new, but I'm not 100% positive on that. But if you guys are interested with printing that off, here we got the Taipei, $1 off of 2. My husband eats those, so I'm going to print those off. And then let's see what other ones they added or any renewed. I'm going to print this one off because this is probably going to be another deal that I'm going to do at Walmart for Ibotta. But the ones that did not renew itself are the Purell, the $1 off 2 Kellogg's, and then the Poise, and then the Fresh. So definitely check your guys' site and print off new coupons if you guys want to. You never know, those might disappear pretty soon or something. But thanks for watching, and see you guys all later. Bye-bye.